So number 4 is prove that root over of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So what is LHS here? 1 minus root over of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so in RHS, in the denominator, what is here? 1 plus cos theta. So we have to bring here 1 plus cos theta in the denominator and in the what numerator sin theta. So here already here 1 plus cos theta is here, but here root over is here. So what we have to do so that this root over will get cancelled, so or it will vanish. So if I multiply here, okay, if I multiply here 1 plus cos theta in numerator as well as in denominator, so what happens? See here, so 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, in the denominator it becomes 1 plus cos theta square, and here 1 minus cos square theta. Yes or no? So 1 minus cos square theta, a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus cos square theta equal to what? Sin square theta. Yes or no? Sin square theta, and here 1 plus cos theta, here whole square. Okay, if here see here sin square theta root over is what? Sin theta, and 1 plus cos theta whole square root over equal to what? 1 plus cos theta. Proof. Okay, next come number 5. Number 5 is what here? Prove that 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, sorry, root over of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus root over of 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 2 sec theta. Okay, this one we have to prove. So see here, in LHS, what is here? 1 plus root over of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, and here root over of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so this one I can write like this also, 1 plus sin theta root over by 1 minus sin theta root over, okay, plus root over of 1 minus sin theta by root over of 1 plus sin theta. Okay, if I take here like this LCM here, okay, it becomes root over of 1 minus sin theta into root over of 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so the LCM become what? 1 minus root over of 1 minus sin theta into root over of 1 plus sin theta. So see here it becomes 1 root over of 1 plus sin theta into this one root over of 1 plus sin theta, and here root over of 1 minus sin theta into root over of 1 minus sin theta. So it becomes root over of 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. It becomes 1 plus sin theta. Okay, this one. Okay, this one it becomes what? Root a into root a. It becomes a, na? So root over of 1 plus sin theta into root over of 1 plus sin theta, it becomes 1 plus sin theta. And here root over of 1 minus sin theta into root over of 1 minus sin theta, it becomes 1 minus sin theta. Okay, by this is a plus b into a minus b, so we can write here 1 minus sin square theta, a square minus b square. Okay, so plus sin theta minus sin theta get cancelled, 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus sin square theta equal what? Cos square theta. So root over of cos square theta, so root over of cos square theta equal what? 2 by cos theta. So you can write here 1 by cos equal what? Sec. 1 by cos equal what? Sec. So 2 sec theta. Proof. Okay, like this. Here what? Number 6. Okay, prove that 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cosec square theta. Okay, prove that 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cosec square theta. So what is LHS here? 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos theta. So you can write here, what will the LCM here? 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So here we can write here 1 plus cos theta, and here we can write 1 minus cos theta. So plus cos theta minus cos theta get cancelled. 1 plus 1 how much? 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b equal to what? A square minus b square. Okay, so we can write here 1 square minus cos square theta, that equal to what? 1 square equal to 1 cos square. Here what? Cos square theta equal to cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta equal to what? Sin square theta. So 2 by sin square theta. Again 1 by sin equal to what? Here cosec. So 2 cosec square theta. Okay, proof.